Welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we'll know how you can activate your replacement Brightwell card. If you receive a new Brightwell debit Visa card, so you have to activate that one before use. So how you will activate? You need to just open your Brightwell app, then click on setting, then next you have to click on my card, and then you have to click on activate card. Enter your card number, then re-enter your card number, 16 digits, 16 numbers, then card expiry date and year, month and year, then create a pin, then confirm pin, and then click on activate card. And here you can see card successfully activated, and you can see the notification also. In the same way you can activate your card. Thanks for watching.